Igbo Igbo, ndị niile ife Igbo na-amasị nọ na Igbo Online College. Today we are talking about the expression of how and what in Igbo. You know, in English, we have the expression what. What is what? And how is how. You want to ask how in English, it is how. You don't go looking for how to combine words to mean to express how. How is how. And what is what. When you use the word what or how, they mean what they mean individually. In Igbo, it is not like that. You know why? Because Igbo is highly polysemous. Igbo is very, very, very polysemous. What do I mean? One word could mean 5 things. One word could mean 10 things. Why? Again, it is polysemous. It is the nature of the language. It now depends on the context. It is the context that will tell you what it means. Okay? Also, a combination of the words. All right, let's go there. Today we are talking about the expression of what and how in Igbo. Have you subscribed? If you've not subscribed, please just take a second and press the red button and subscribe, and also share my video. All right, thank you, and let's go there. Now we talk about what and how. In Igbo we have these words: gini, kedu, ole. We're going to be starting with gini. Gini as a word, that is the Igbo word that means what. What? Like in English, you want to say what? What? In Igbo, you use gini. Gini! 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 That is what? What? Guinea is a guinea. You said what? It's a guinea. You said what? You say what? It's a guinea. What did you say? Guinea kifu. So, guinea. You could say guinea Mary. What happened? This is the past tense. What happened? Gini mere. Gini mere. Gini mere. Gini mere. Can you say that? Gini mere. What happened? Now we could say gini neme. Gini neme. What is happening? What is happening? Gini na eme. What is happening? Gini na eme. What is happening? Okay, you could say gini bo iha. It means what is this? In English, you say what is this? This one means what? Gini bo iha. What is this? Now, individually, these two words, this one means this, while this means thing. So basically, this sentence means what is this thing? What is this thing? But in English, in translating it, you say, what is this? Simple. All right? Okay, so you could just remove this and add aho. It means gini bụ ihe ahụ. This one means that, it means what is that thing? What is that thing? Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? So in English we translate it as that. What is that? I hope it makes sense to you. I hope it is clear. Okay, let's go ahead. You could also say gịnị na-eme ya? Gịnị na-eme ya? Gịnị na-eme ya? This ya means him. What is happening to him? Her or it. Gịnị na-eme ya? What is wrong with him or her or it? What is happening to him or her or it? Gịnị na-eme ya? Say it. Gịnị na-eme ya? Gịnị na-eme ya? Okay, good. Good job. We could also say gịnị na-eme anyị? What is happening to us? Anyị means us. It also means we, but in this case, if the position is here, it becomes us. Gịnị na-eme anyị? If this anyị is here, it becomes we. Okay? Good. Gịnị na-eme anyị? What is wrong with us? What is happening to us? What is happening to us? Gịnị na-eme anyị? Gịnị na-eme ya? What is wrong with him, her, or it? Gịnị na-eme ya? It could be animal, could be any other thing. Alright? Now, you could remove this pronoun and just add a name, not name of somebody, or name of an animal, or name of anything you want. It could be Emeka. Gịnị na-eme Emeka? Gịnị na-eme Ada? Gịnị na-eme Nneoma? Gịnị na-eme Adamma? Gịnị na-eme Ugo? It could be anybody. So you could just remove this and add any name you want to use. Gịnị na-eme? What is wrong with so person? What is happening to? Do you get that? Good job. So that is it for gịnị. Gịnị ka ị siri? What did you cook? Gịnị ka ị siri? What did you cook? Gịnị ka ị kwuru? What did you say? Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Let me write this down. Gịnị ka ị kwuru? What did you say? What did you say? Gịnị ka ị siri? What did you cook? This one means say. This one means cook. Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Gịnị ka ị siri? Gịnị ka ị mere? What did you do? What did you do? Okay. Let's go to this and this. This or this could be used to express anything that this can express. But this one is limited. It can only express what. It cannot express how. Is that clear? This one is limited. This one can express anything that this one can express and more. So we're going to talk about this and that. Okay, we're done with gịnị here. Kedu, ole. Now, what is the difference between these two words? These two words could be used interchangeably. This one, it only depends on where someone is coming from, the dialect of people. This one, you hear it mostly from people that come from Imo State area, Abia State area. This one is heard mostly from people from Anambra, Enugu area. In case you are not in Nigeria, you're wondering where is Abia State, where is Imo State, where is Anambra State. Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, they are all in Igbo land, in Nigeria, in Africa. They are all Igbo speaking areas in Nigeria, and Nigeria is in Africa. Okay, having said that, it is only a matter of dialect. You will hardly hear an Imo State people use Kedu. They use, not that they don't use, but it is not their dialect. This is their dialect, Ole. So you say Ole. You can hardly hear an Anambra person use Ole. I don't know how many times I have used Ole apart from using it for academic purposes. But if I'm talking on a normal, like I'm talking with people in real life, real time, I hardly use this because that's not my dialect. When I'm speaking with my people, I use my dialect, right? Okay, I use this for academic purposes. When I want to teach people, if this is their dialect, I use it. Don't misunderstand me. But this is used by Anambra people, Enugu people, and people in that environment. So you will hardly hear Anambra people or Enugu people use ole, and you hardly hear Imo Abia people use kedu. You will always hear them use ole. So if I know that as you come in contact with Igbo people, you'll be hearing the two things, but you will not know the difference. Of course, they are not different in meaning, but it helps us to know where people come from. Having said that, let's delve right into it. For the sake of this video, I will be using this often. Now, if you are from Imo or Abia area, anywhere I use Kedu, you can just remove Kedu and replace it with Ole. It's okay. It's the same thing. Let's go there. Kedu. By itself, Kedu means how are you? Kedu, how are you? How far? What's up? What's up? And in response, you say, Odemma. Odemma means all is well, everything is fine. Ademma means I am fine. Ademma, I am fine. Okay, you cannot use ole in this form. Ole, you cannot say ole. You can say olewe, ole etuede. Ole, you say kedu as a greeting. Ole etuede. That's how they say how are you. Ole etuede, how are you? Odemma, ademma, ademoye. Okay, let's now go on. Having said this is when you use this by itself, and that is not really what we are considering. Now, we are looking at this when it means what? Kedu ihe. This means what? Let me give example. Kedu ihe neme. This means what is happening. Together they both mean what. What is happening? What is happening? This one means thing. But you cannot use this alone to mean what. Kedu neme, it's not correct. So you must use what thing. This one by itself means thing. This one now is the interrogative. So what thing is happening? This, unlike Guinea, you could just say Guinea name, it is used alone, but this cannot be used alone to mean what. So you say Kedu ihe neme, what is happening? What is happening? Kedu ihe merenu. What happened? I can remove this, so this is not by force. I can remove it. You can remove it. Kedu ihe mere? What happened? Kedu ihe mere no? What happened? You can remove it if you want to, but it makes you sound like a native. Okay. Kedu ihe mere? Actually, kedu ihe mere is more native than this. Kedu ihe mere? A native speaker will always say me rather than using this long. Also, a native speaker in using kedu will always say ke. So you note this. Ke and kedu, they are the same thing, the same. Only that a native speaker will just elongate the vowel. And we understand it because of the tone. Okay? Can you say that? Okay? So you say, ke ihe na-eme. Hey! Nah, you don't be pro. Ke ihe na-eme. Ke ihe me. You are now a pro. Okay, let's continue. Kedu ihe na-eme. Kedu ihe mere. Kedu ihe men. So if you hear what people say, kekwan is just the elongation of the vowel, nothing more, nothing like ke. Okay, you'll be hearing it, only that you've not noticed. Just listen well. You hear ke by Igbo natives. Anywhere you are in the world, it is when they are taking, you say ke, you know they are talking about kedu. Now I'm giving you that secret. Okay, let's go ahead. So ke etu, kedu. This one is kedu ihe. Now, once you say kedu ihe, it means what happened. Ke ihe mere, ke ihe na-eme, ke ihe obu, what is it? Kedu ihe obu? Ihe obu. Kedu ihe obu? What is it? Kedu ihe obu? This one means it. Is. This one means what? What is it? Ke ihe obu? What is it? Ke ihe obu. Can you say it? Kedu ihe obu. But I know people say ke ihe kedu ihe obu. Okay. We go ahead to use this. Kedu etu. This one means how. Oh. Etu. This one means how. Kedu etu. Etu. Kedu etu. How. Kedu etu isi me. How did you do it? Kedu etu isi me ya. How did you do it? Kedu etu. How. Kedu etu isi me ya. How did you do it? How did you do it? Kedu etu isi me ya. How did you do it? Kedu etu o si aga. Kedu etu, o si aga. How is it going? 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 Kedu etu o si aga. How is it going? How is it going? This one is it going. How. This one by itself, they must be used together. They must be used together. Kedu etu. Kedu etu esi. How do you cook? Kedu etu esi. Etu. Sorry, this one doesn't have dots, please. Etu esi ofe? How is soup prepared or cooked? This one means cook. Cook. Kedu etu esi ofe? How is soup cooked? How is soup prepared? How do you cook soup? Kedu etu esi Kedu etu isi aga? Kedu etu isi aga? How are you going? Which way are you going? Like, what's your itinerary basically? How are you going? Kedu etu isi aga? Kedu etu o si mee? How did it happen? Kedu etu o si mee? How did it happen? Okay, that is about kedu etu. How? Kedu etu how? Kedu ihe what? Kedu etu how? We go over to the next one.